It's still 800.
How tough is this situation?
This situation is very tough. It's pretty much gotten to a mandatory evacuation. Latest that we've heard is it's going to crest at 49 feet, which is pretty much 3 feet over what it was in 2016. So it's going to be catastrophic.
I know everybody's kind of concerned about the park area here, but how does it affect the rest of the county? Because, I mean, you have to be responsible for all of that.
Yes, the park, I'm concerned about the park, but I'm more so concerned about the people out in the county, more so because we're talking about people's homes and livelihood, and so that's more important right now, and that's what we're working on.
Okay, thanks very much, Judge. Have a great day. All right, so Mike, how does this affect you in terms of the golf course?
Well, the road going in is closed. The golf course is, right now, that what we can tell, has got some water on 2 or 3 holes, but the biggest thing is not being able to get to the golf course. And without electricity, we can't water greens. And if they sit there too long without water, then we'll be in trouble. So we're trying to see how high it's going to go and then assess and there.
All right, thanks very much.